In this video, we're going to look at how to add editable text to a block, so you don't have to recreate blocks every time you want to change the text inside of them. This is known as a block attribute. Before we get started, I expect that you already know how to use AutoCAD to a reasonable level, that you are familiar with how to create blocks, and that you can comfortably move around some of the more advanced features of AutoCAD. In this lesson, we're going to be covering block attributes, how to add, edit them, and why they might not display the way that you think that they will. So let's just start with creating a block and adding some standard text. Now I'm going to edit the name. And save the changes. And the problem is, all of the blocks have updated with the same name. So instead, we're going to add a block attribute. And we're going to start by telling people what to do when they insert the block. We're going to call it name, and then we're going to give an instruction. So add name. And then we're going to add some default text, so it displays something, even if we haven't input anything. Then we're going to fiddle around with some of the properties of the text and insert. Now I've done this all outside of block edit mode. If we then create the block, it will ask me to fill in that information. If I insert another block, you'll see it says name here. Once I click, I get the dialog and it will prompt me to tell me what to fill in. I'm going to add in a different name. And you can see that both instances of the block are there. There's no additional memory being used, and name appears when we open up block edit mode. Now, obviously this is a fun example, but you can use it for labels, tags, electrical components, and part numbers. And if you combine it with some of the actions, then you can flip and align the text to make sure that it works exactly as you expect, which we'll be covering in the next video. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.